Okay, so if you have been selling anything online, literally anything, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Someone messages you on Instagram, then another person hits you up on WhatsApp, maybe you get a Telegram message, and before you know it, you are just sitting there switching between apps all day, answering the same question over and over. How much is this? Do you have this in stock? Can you ship to my city? And look, I get it. It's exhausting. But here's the thing that really sucks. If you take 6 hours to reply because you were busy or you did not see it, that person already bought from someone else. They are gone. So I found something that actually helps with this, and I want to show you how it works. It's called SaleSmartly. Basically, it's like having one inbox for everything. All your WhatsApp messages, Instagram DMs, Messenger, Telegram, everything shows up in one place. You don't have to keep switching apps anymore. But the part that really helps is you can set up a bot to reply for you automatically, like instantly, even if you are asleep or busy doing something else. I'm going to walk you through building one of these bots right now. It is not complicated at all. You don't need to know any coding or anything like that, and it takes maybe 5 minutes. If you want to try this yourself while watching, I put a link down in the description. You can make a free account and just test it out. No pressure, but if you want to follow along, go grab that link and we'll do this together. Alright, so when you first log in, this is what you are looking at. It's pretty clean honestly, not too cluttered. Right in the middle of the screen, you have got all different apps you can connect. That's Telegram, Messenger, Instagram, WhatsApp, all of them just sitting there. On the left side, that's your main menu. Home is where we are now. Chat. This is the big one. That's your main inbox where literally every message from every app lands in one list. Pretty nice. Robot is where we are going to build the automation in a second, and integration is just where you link everything up to your accounts. For this video, I'm using Telegram to show you how this works. I picked Telegram because it's super quick to set up. But here's what matters. This exact same process works for Messenger, Instagram, and WhatsApp too. Same button, same steps. So even if you don't use Telegram, just follow along. It's all the same once you get in there. Okay, since I'm using Telegram for this, we need to make sure we actually have a Telegram bot set up first. Don't worry, it's pretty easy. Open Telegram on your phone or computer, doesn't matter which. Search for a user called BotFather. This is Telegram's official bot creation tool. Click on it and start a chat. Now type the command new bot and hit send. BotFather is going to ask you for a name for your bot. I'm just calling mine tutorial demo bot. You can name your whatever you want. Next, give it a username, and that has to end with the word bot. So I will type internet tutorial/bot. If that name is taken, just try something else until it works. And that's it, your bot is created. Now here's the important part. We need to copy the API token. Just tape it and copy the whole thing. Now go back to SaleSmartly. Go to integration on the left menu. Select Telegram from the list. Paste that token you just copied into the box. Click connect. And you are done. Your bot is now live and connected to SaleSmartly. Alright, let's build this thing. We are actually going to make a simple welcome bot. Basically, when someone messages you for the first time, it's going to say hi and give them a couple of buttons they can click to help themselves out. So go to the robot tab on the left, click automated process, then you will see a blue button that says new flow. Click that. Now it's asking you to name it. I'm just calling mine Telegram welcome auto reply. Keep it simple, then pick your bot from the drop down and hit OK. Alright, now you are in the builder. It looks like a big blank page with some tools on the left. Don't worry, it's easier than it looks. Every automation needs two things. A trigger, that's what starts it, and an action, that's what it actually does. Let's start with the trigger. On the left side, you will see something that says visitor sends message. Just drag that onto the canvas. Now double click on it to open the settings. Here's the thing, we don't want this firing every single time someone says hi to you, because they will get the welcome message like 10 times and that's annoying. So change the limit to trigger up to 1 time per visitor. That's why they only get welcomed once. Makes sense, right? Click save. Now we need to connect it to the next step. See that little circle on the right side of the trigger block? Click it and drag a line out. This is basically telling the bot what to do next. Alright, now drag the second message block onto the line you just made. This is going to be the actual message your bot sends. Double click it to type your message. I'm keeping mine simple. Hi there, welcome to Raj's Tech Store. I'm an automated assistant. Please pick an option below. Now let's add some buttons so people can actually do something. Click add component and pick buttons. For the first button, I'm writing read our FAQs and I'm setting this to open a website. I will just use SaleSmartly help page for this example. Second button, I will call this talk to a human and link it to a contact page or wherever you want people to go if they need actual help. Once you have got your button set up, click save. One more thing we need to do, we have to tell the bot when to stop. Otherwise the chat just stays open forever and it gets weird. Drag another line from your message block and add the end session block onto it. Double click that and make sure it says closed and save it. And that's it. You just build a bot. Hit save at the top right, then go back to your list of flows and switch it from draft to activated. If it is not, that makes it live. Let's see if it works. I'm going to open Telegram on my phone real quick and send a message to my bot. Just typing hi and boom, there it is, instant reply with my message and 2 buttons I set up. I can tap one of the buttons and it opens the link right away. See, works exactly how we set it up. So that's the whole thing. You can do this exact same setup for Instagram DMs or your Facebook page, pretty much the same process. Now that's one of the incredible feature in SaleSmartly. Now there is one feature in SaleSmartly that's actually amazing. I have not seen this in many other tools. It's the real-time translation. Let's say you are dropshipping to Brazil or Spain. A customer messages you in Portuguese. Normally, you would have to copy paste into Google Translate, right? Not here. SaleSmartly automatically translates their message into English for you. You reply in English, it automatically translates your reply back to Portuguese for them. This removes the language barrier completely. You can sell globally without speaking a word of the language. Now real quick, let's talk about what this cost, because I know that's what you are wondering. If you look at my account here, I'm actually on the Pro plan. I pay about $45 a month. I can use this for my own business, but you don't need to start there. They have got a free plan. That's totally fine if you just want to test things out and see if you like it. If you decide later that you want to upgrade, the basic Pro plans start around $16 a month, but currently they are having some discount. Now it is priced at around $12 per month. For that you get unlimited chats, unlimited automation triggers, and there's this translation thing where it auto-translates messages if your customers speak different languages. Anyway, if you want to give it a shot, use that link I mentioned earlier in the description. It helps me out and it makes sure you get the best deal when you upgrade. If you run into any issues while you are setting this up, just leave a comment and I will try to help you figure it out. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, hit the like button and I will catch you in the next one.